Oh my goodness. I love to receive a nondescript box like this one. Things are about to get exciting. I happen to know what's in here. It's a prototype. Captured a ton of attention on Kickstarter. Some stickers. Those aren't stickers, those are business cards. The CEO, holy smokes, okay. Let's just skip that, please. The world's smallest phone. This thing is unbelievably small. The Zanko Tiny T1, world's smallest phone. You know, I've covered plenty of phones, world's smallest this and that.
Well, maybe I am a kid robot. Or maybe I'm Wall-E.
This has to be smaller than those. Sync contacts and music with your mobile phone, monocolor screen, voice changer, 3 days of standby time. It does have Bluetooth built in. It takes a nano SIM and it can store 500 contacts. That's right, it has a voice changer. You can be a man, woman, child, old cartoon young Optimus, duck, robot, EVA, whatever that means, Wall-E, rap man, and rap woman. Well, this just got a lot more interesting. Let's see how small this thing actually is. Whoa! That is unbelievably small. It does not seem real. Holy! It looks like it has a speaker on it too on the back there. SIM card goes in the side here. This thing makes a nano SIM look big. Smaller than my thumb. About as big as an SD card. About as big as a coin. Smaller than a small size Bic lighter. Much smaller than a ketchup packet. Barely more than 2 pieces of gum. It's tiny. A micro USB cable to charge it up. Oh, and a SIM tool. This little guy is around 55 bucks, and at this moment, you're probably thinking, who is this for? I mean, it's obviously a novelty thing. It's for people who have all kinds of tech. Pull this thing out at a party, and people would be amazed. You make a phone call on this, people's minds are gonna be blown. The buttons are way smaller than my fingertip. There you go, Jack. What do you think about that? That's a Pixel 2 XL. I mean, obviously they don't do the same thing, but holy smokes, just dwarfed. Oh, there we go. We got the time, we got full battery life. All right, I'm gonna put my SIM card in. I'm gonna try to make a phone call. What do you say? It looks like I have a message. Let's give it a shot. Will, what's your phone number? Did you guys hear that?
4 1 3.
That's kind of nice. I think it's ringing. This is so bizarre. Oh, wow. Kind of a loud speaker.
Yo.
Hey, man, you sound all right in here.
You too.
Really? I did not expect to have any kind of call quality here.
Yeah, perfectly clear.
Yeah, you too, man, and loud. I feel like a secret agent right now. Leave your phones at the door, sir. I'm like, no problem. This thing's in the sock? You like to go for a jog? You need to maintain the contact. Maybe you don't want that whole experience. You know what I mean? Maybe you need something more discreet. Should I try the magic voice? Okay, we're gonna switch. Will's gonna come in.
As you guys can probably tell here, I have altered my voice. This is the child setting right here. I think it sounds more like a chipmunk.
So this is old. I'm apparently old now. Does this sound old or just deep?
Pretty deep.
Optimus Prime.
Sounds a bit robotic. Doesn't sound like Optimus though.
Alright, it's not quite Optimus Prime, but a little bit robot.
This is the rap man that is. Apparently I'm a rap man now. I said a hip hop, hippie to the hippie to the hip hop, you don't stop the rocket to the bang bang, boogie sit up, just the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to beat, the groove, my man, something came to move off me.
All right, so obviously a novelty item to begin with. It kind of adds to the novelty factor. You want to have a little fun with it. But when it comes to other productivity stuff like texting, you can imagine that's going to be a nightmare. And for calling, it works surprisingly well. What are you talking about? That little guy could fit right in there. You could get a full-fledged phone for 50 bucks, but you can't tell anybody it's the world's smallest. As a novelty item, as a gift for somebody who has absolutely everything, there's no doubt this is gonna put a smile on their face.